Hello guys! Kumusta? Magluto tayo. So, I'm going to make sauce for the fish. I have here lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze the juice. Half of the lemon. And then, tanggalin lang natin yung seeds. Actually, dagdagan natin ulit ng kalahati. So, 1 lemon siya, guys. 1 lemon. Masarap pag maraming lemon para sa isda. Hindi malansa. Okay. Tanggalin lang to. And then, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Soy sauce. And then, some pepper. Ground pepper.
I don't know. What does it say?
And then paprika, sweet paprika. Para may kulay yung isda natin. There you go. And then I'm gonna add some parsley. No, not parsley, rosemary leaves. Dry. And I have here parsley. Parsley. Damihan natin. May dagdagan ko kundi yung rosemary. There you go. Mix natin. Lagyan natin ng honey. Honey. Mga 2 teaspoons. Mix. Now let's add some olive oil. Mix it well. Okay na to. I-mix na natin to sa isda. Okay, here the isda, guys. Basa steak. Ilagay ko siya sa bowl. And then, ihalo ko yung marinade sauce na minix natin. Haluin lang siya. Okay. So, na-mix na natin siya sa sauce, sa marinade. Set aside muna natin to. Bake basa steak, guys. Bake natin. So, I have a baking dish here. Maglagay lang ako ng konting olive oil. Natin yung oil sa the baking dish. Baking dish or baking sheet is okay. But I'm using baking sheet. And then, I have here some lemon slices. Let's just arrange it. And then let's have some onions and peppers. Onions and peppers. Okay. Then let's do the fish. Malinis naman tong kamay, guys. I wash my hands. My hands is clean. So let's just arrange the fish sa ibabaw ng peppers, lemon, and what is it? Onions. Na-arrange na natin. Lagyan natin ng konting sauce sa itaas. Maya, ang konti, pag malapit na maluto, ilagay ko yung extra sauce. And then, let's add the remaining onions and pepper sa ibabaw. Ay. So, yan. Ready na. Ready to bake. I-bake natin ng 20 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Hi guys! Ito na. Ready na yung baked basa steaks natin. Luto na siya. Oh, ang sarap. Let's eat guys. Thank you for watching.